Pain's gone?
Mm-hmm.
And the back pain you came here with, you still feel that?
I just feel where you operated. I don't feel my normal back pain.
Because it's gone.
Yeah.
That's right.
It's gone.
Those are tears of joy.
How can that be?
See, you flew all the way from Canada so you could create some tears of joy right here in Florida.
My
See?
hero. All of you, thank you so much.
Mickey Mouse isn't the only one who gets people to cry.
No, tears of joy though, let me tell you, not
right.
of pain.
All right. I'm Dr. Ara Jigmejian, CEO and founder of Deuk Spine Institute, and my lovely patient is from Canada, and she's down here. Why did you come to Florida? You didn't come for Mickey Mouse, did you?
No, I came just for you.
So what were you hoping to achieve here in Florida?
Just even less pain. Just less.
And where do you...
And to get off the medication.
Yeah.
I want to get off that so badly.
You're going to. Where did you have pain all these years?
Mainly it started in my back, then it spread to my legs.
Yeah, both legs, but
Both
worse on
legs.
the right, but also the left.
Yes.
Do you still have that leg pain now?
I have no leg pain right now.
It's gone.
It's gone.
And you don't have the back pain either, do you?
I just feel where you operated. I don't have my normal back pain.
It's gone.
It's gone.
Amen.
And I haven't even taken an oxy since this morning at 7 o'clock.
I know. That's because you're not going to need them anymore. But don't stop them right away.
No,
You got to taper
I got to
off.
wean off, yeah.
Now, you were sent to us from a doctor in Canada, weren't you?
Yes.
You want to thank that doctor now?
Dr. Wardell has been my hero for years. He's helped me more than anybody in Canada could help me. He's an amazing man and he's so caring.
Yeah, he is a hero. Dr. Wardell is a hero because he cares about patients and wants you to be out of pain.
He really does.
And it's hard to find doctors like that.
Oh, it is very hard.
All right, is there anything you want to tell the audience before we wrap this up?
I just want to tell them if you have any pain like I have, you come and see this man because he is a miracle worker. He's just a miracle worker.
You're welcome. All right.
Oh.